friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and today we're going to make deep fried fish. Okay friends, I'm going to show you how I make my beer battered fish. And this day I'm using pollock. I got it on sale, about 2 weeks ago. I hit a beautiful sale. They call it Green Friday at our local grocery store. And they had pollock fillets on sale, beautiful pollock fillets on sale for $1.29 a pound. It was a one-day sale only, so I got 10 pounds of it. So tonight we're going to have some beer battered pollock fillets, deep fried pollock fillets. So with that in mind, I'm just going to show you how I whip my beer batter together. And first thing first is I always use an egg. And the secret, not so secret, Budweiser beer. You can use a dark ale, but I like Budweiser beer. I use it for bread. I use it for everything. Not a drinker, and my kids always laugh at me because I've always got a 6-pack of Budweiser in my pantry, though I don't drink. But I use it for bread. I use it for all kinds of stuff. Use it in my turkeys. And I'm going to use, I don't even know how much this is, 12 fluid ounce. Probably the same amount that's in a can, I would presume. Okay, we're going to mix that all up. Really, really, really good. Okay. Get that all mixed up. This stuff is fantastic. Just bear with me. It might not look the greatest, but I promise you it will be good. Okay, so I'm going to put in a little flour at a time. I got 1 cup there. And of course, my house blend. Now that I've got some. That's garlic, pepper, and salt. And it's all going in there. Ooh, that smells wonderful. And then I always put a little bit of baking powder in there because it gives it a little air, gives it a little fluff, whatever you want to call it. You don't have to use it, but I do. So, let's get this all mixed in. See how nice that is? 1 cup of flour in there. I really don't believe I'm going to need any more. Sometimes I do. I think that's pretty good. And maybe a little more. Maybe just a dot more. Probably about a 1/4 cup more. That's good right there. After I get this all mixed in. Then I'm going to put this in my fridge and just let it brew up and blend together and rest for about an hour. And after that I'll be back and I'll show you the rest. This is going to be good. Get all that off there. Alright, so, see? Nice. That'll be really nice batter. Beautiful. All set. Alright, so this I'm going to put one of my shower caps over it. I'll stick it in the fridge, let it rest for an hour, and I'll be back and show you how I fry my fish. Okay, friends, I'm back, and I'm going to show you how I do this. My oil is nice and hot. See that I'm going to dip that in there. Nice, nice. There's one. Here's a little one. There's two. I'm going to put about 3 of them in here. And there's the third one. These are going to be really good. Just move them around a little bit so they don't stick to the bottom. I think you should be able to see. Let me move this. I think you should be able to see them cooking pretty good there. They're going to be good. I need one of those little scooper things. The little metal mesh, whatever they're called, to scoop stuff out of grease. I don't have one, but I don't deep fry too often. But this is going to be beautiful. And then I've got some garlic bread in the oven. And my oven fries are all done. You only got to put it in there for just a few minutes. It turns out beautiful. When it gets nice and golden brown, then that's your cue to take it out. So, when it's golden brown and ready to take out, I'll be back and I'll show you. This is done, friends. See how beautiful that is? I'm just going to put it right in here. And I'm going to put a little more oil in this because I just don't have enough in there. Let that get a little bit warmer. Let that oil all heat up real good. See that? There we go. And that turned out nice. I got that and a couple little crispy pieces in there. So when that oil's heated up, I'll be back and I'll do another bunch. Okay, here we go. That is ready. And I'm going to show you the next one. This is a nice fillet. I'm just going to dip it in there really good and just let it kind of float in there. This is a beautiful batter. Okay, there we go. Those two are in there. I'm going to make sure they're not going to stick on the bottom because my pan isn't as deep as it should be. But anyway, there we have it. So it's that simple. So I'm going to finish frying all these up. You just do it till it's golden brown and beautiful, and when I'm done, I'll show you how they look plated up.